This channel is about us radiating health, mind, body, and soul. So this month we are going to focus on decluttering our mental and physical spaces to make room for the abundance that is coming into our life. So I thought it would be easy enough just to start with these drawers in this desk behind me. Embarrassingly enough, this was how these drawers were. I did not mess them up to make this video. This is actually what they look like. And as you can see, they were very anxiety provoking, and you couldn't find anything in there if you wanted to. So this is what they looked like before. And if you stay with me, I'm going to show you how to turn something like what you just saw into a piece of art with warm memories for you to embrace every time that you open a drawer like this, if you choose to. It turned out way better than I could have ever imagined it turning out. So stay with me, and I'm going to show you how you can do this for your space so that you can radiate abundance in your life. This is some drawers in my desk that is in badly need of some attention. So I'm just going to go through what I am going to do with this stuff and how I'm going to organize it. First, I learned several years ago to place things where you would think to look for them. And this is not where I would think to look for this item. I would put this in my garage. So I'm going to, take that and put that in my garage. This is a CD in my back. I don't know where I'm going to do with that, but it's not here, I don't think. I think I'm going to definitely find a new home for that. Like little cables and stuff. I actually have a box for that. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick all that in my box where I would think to look for that kind of stuff. This is like a little fidgety thing. I don't ever use it. I don't even know why I have it. I'm going to give that away. This is some art supplies. My son is an artist. I'm going to ask him. This is also if he wants it. If not, then these will go into my abundance party stash, and I will put a link below and what a abundance party is all about. It is more than fabulous, and I highly recommend that you checking it out because I really think that you'll probably want to do it in your life at some point because it's super fabulous. So then these are the same. I don't need them anymore, and I'll see if my son wants them. If not, they will go into my abundance party pile. This right here are some tacks that I don't even have any use for whatsoever. I have a few right here in this little container in case I ever did need them. But basically, I'm going to take these to work and just put them in the supply pile at work. I am going to keep one screwdriver up here, and then the other one I will put in the garage with my other screwdrivers. Then these little notepads, I'm going to organize them. I mean, notepads seem reasonable to stay in this desk. Notepad again. Calculator, I'm going to stay. Scissors, reasonable things. This, I don't know what it is, so I'm going to put it in my junk drawer downstairs until I decide that I really, really don't know, that it has no purpose, and maybe I'll get rid of it one day, but right now I'm not comfortable getting rid of it. This is going into my abundance party pile. And that's pretty much it. So I will clean this up and show you a shot of my final results soon. Okay, this turned out so much better than I ever anticipated it turning out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So what I have done is I put in, this is what it's all about, is you want to clean out, declutter your mental space, your physical space, so that you can make room for better and greater things. And so I put a touch point of my mom and dad, a picture of my mom and dad. This is a little photo album that she had given me for my birthday a couple years ago that was, oh, look at her. And it was just in a box. And so this is really nice to be able to, see it every time I pull this drawer out. I put my scissors over here on the right hand side because I'm going to be using these for cutting off tags and stuff. So you know, I'm not going to be over against the wall cutting off tags. I'm going to probably be coming out of the bathroom or something and be like, oh yeah, I don't have tags on this. I need to cut it off. So I put it over there for that convenience. And then these little containers, I used one of them and I brought out, this was in a box, you know, at the top of my closet, you know, very inconvenient for me if I needed to like just sew up something real quick. So I put my little sewing kit there, and then these are my little Post-it notes. I'll put them in these little containers because I knew that if I leave them out, they'll just get in a mess again. So that is that drawer. And then this drawer, love it so much. I ended up keeping this, got rid of some stuff in there, but you know, it's art stuff and pencils and highlighters and stuff. So I ended up keeping that. I ended up putting, let's see, my screwdriver, because I'm not going to be using that very much. I put it way in the back. Anything that I'm not going to use very much. The calculator, I don't even know that I'll ever use it. So I put that way in the back. And then I got this little container for the coins that were just like scattered everywhere. And then this, I pulled out some jewelry that I don't necessarily wear, but it's like, you know, something for my mom. And then this something I used to wear in high school. And then I got this bracelet, and this is, oops, it's upside down, but basically it just says all these beautiful things that, you know, my mom had given me. I don't even know. It's interesting. Woman is the only word I see that well, you know, probably all those, that's probably woman in every language is probably what that is. But this is a gift from my mom. So I just thought it would be a nice little touch, you know, that I see that when I open this drawer is, you know, mementos for my mother. And then a success point in my life, you know, just you always celebrate your successes. And then my dad's phone number that was in my jewelry box. And he just, you know, he gave that to me. Told me to call him, you know. I wish I would have called him more. So call your mom and dad. I hope this inspired you to declutter and get ready for more abundance in your life. Please like and subscribe. And if you are ready for more abundance in your life, put ready in the comments below.